Hello my friends, welcome to ATSA channel. Today's topic is Redmi. You will learn how to change ringtone on Redmi. It's easy and simple. Like and subscribe to my channel. Let's go open settings, tap here, scroll down, find sound and tap on sound. Find ringtone, tap here, select ringtone you need. You can also choose an online ringtone. Good. Okay, you did it. It was easy and simple. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to our channel. Also check out our playlist on this topic. There you will find answers to many questions. Wish you best. Bye bye.